Speak. I was spending $138 a month across 5 tools. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Claude replaced all of them for $20. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / here's how the numbers actually broke down for me. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Grammarly. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Jasper. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / GitHub Copilot. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Notion AI. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Intercom AI. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / that's $138 a month. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Claude Pro is $20. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / I'll walk you through each swap and the one thing Claude still can't pull off. 200,000 token context window. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / that's 500 pages in a single paste. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / GPT-4o cuts off at 128K. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / entire codebase, legal brief, client docs, one shot, no splitting files. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / drop a comment on which tool you ditch first. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Claude Code is a CLI agent. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / reads your repo. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / edits files. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / commits code on its own. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / SWE bench verified score. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / 64%. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / GPT-4o lands at 38%. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / after testing this for 30 days, my take is it genuinely replaces your whole code review workflow. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / projects give Claude persistent memory per client. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / artifacts spit out live React components right next to your chat. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / that's Notion AI and Jasper gone, both replaced, no extra cost. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / free tier exists but it's thin. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / pro is $20. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / all models, priority access, projects included. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / team is $25 per user. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / real warning. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / pro users hit rate limits during US peak hours. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / heavy users need to plan around that. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / score. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / 9 out of 10. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / no image generation, that's a real gap. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / no live search either. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / skip those use cases. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / but engineers and analysts running docs through this daily? $118 saved every month. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / still paying for that $138 stack? Drop a comment below. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / link in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / subscribe for daily AI tool breakdowns / speak.